This is the snowy owl, one of the most powerful birds of the frozen north.
Its sharp vision cuts through snowstorms, detecting movement across vast distances. Like all owls, it flies without sound. In a world of silence, stealth is everything. Lemmings and small mammals are its primary prey. One precise strike decides life or death.
Thick feathers protect it from deadly cold. Built not just to survive, but to dominate.
Patience is its greatest weapon. It waits and watches.
Silent, powerful, eternal. The snowy owl, ghost of the Arctic.